Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the types of petrol stations that you would like to display on the map on the PetrolSpy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen next to the search bar. And after that, you should go to this section where you can see these icons and these badges. So tap on the relevant ones that you would like to show. You can set all, and tap on the relevant ones that you would like to remove from the list, so you don't want to display on the map. And basically that's it. So once you tap on this X button in the upper right corner, it will be set and updated, so you won't see those that you have selected from the list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.